Today we are going to start our first chapter of science. Okay, so what is the name of the first chapter? Soban?
Yes.
What is the name of your first chapter?
Of science, right?
Right. Yes, of science.
Oh, yeah. It's crop and
What?
crop production and management.
Right. So have you studied about this ever?
Yeah, a little bit.
Sorry. A little bit. Okay, so do you know what do you mean by crops? What are crops?
Yeah, by which we get grains to eat.
Okay, crop production and management. Okay. So you are saying that
Yeah,
crop is a thing? What?
getting my science book.
Okay. Right? Crop production and management, right? So you are saying that crop is a thing from which we get our grains. So if there is a tree or
Only
there is,
science exam finished.
sorry,
Today only I finished my science exam.
oh, today only you finished your science exam. How was it and which chapter had came in your exam?
Flame and combustion,
Okay, flame and
then
combustion.
reproduction in animals and life.
Okay, how was it?
Yeah, good.
Online exam or offline exam?
It was online.
Online, okay. Okay, so I was talking about crops, right? That if there is a herb or shrub or any plant that is giving you what? It's giving you grain. So will you say that there is a
Yeah.
plant of rice and it gave me rice? That's why I'm saying it a crop.
Yes, we would speak
Yes,
the plant of
right.
yes.
You cannot say that there is a one tree and we are saying it as a crop. No. Okay. There in a field, if there are many trees or many plants which are giving you rice, then you say that it's a crop. You will not say that in my house there is a tree or there is a plant of rice and it is a crop. No, it's not a crop. But if in a field or in your house there, what? What, Suban? Okay, but in a field or in a land where there are so many plants of the same variety. For example, it's giving you grain or it's a rice plants. Then in a field there is just a complete row or a complete lane. Okay, of a single variety of what? Single variety of plant. Okay, if I'm saying you that this is a field, then if there would be only rice plants, at other side there will be only what? Wheat plants. So you are saying that this is a rice crop and this is a wheat crop. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Okay. Do you have a notebook with you?
yes, yes, I
Okay,
am.
write the name of the topic. Write the name of the chapter.
Yeah. Good.
Write the heading crop.
Yes, no.
Done, Soman?
Yes.
So what is it written? When plants of a same kind are cultivated or planted on a large scale at one place is called crop. Okay. Likewise, if I have given you an example that there is a field and only wheat crops, wheat plants are there, then it is a wheat crop. Okay. I'll not say that in my house I have a small plant of wheat and it's giving me wheat. So I'm saying that it is a crop. It's just a plant. But if somewhere I am growing it, I am growing your wheat on a large scale, on a large number, then that is a crop. Okay.
Yes.
Do you want to ask anything?
Hmm.
Any doubt?
I got it. No
No
doubt.
doubt? Okay. Okay. So now crops are of two types. Which?
I think the rabi crops.
Which?
Rabi crops and one more.
One is rabi crops and another one is kharif crops, right? Okay.
Yes.
So depending upon the season the crop is grown, we'll say that we have divided crops into two. One is kharif crops and one is rabi crops. Is it clear to you, Soman?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So if a crop is growing in your rainy season, which one it would be? Kharif crops or rabi crops?
Kharif crop.
Kharif crops?
Kharif crop. Yeah, I think so.
Kharif crops are the crops that are grown in your rainy season. Okay. And rabi crops are the crops which are grown in summer season or winter season. Which season? Not audible. Not audible.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Winter season. Okay. So
Winter season.
depending upon the season or time in which the crop is growing, we have distributed or differentiated them into two. One is kharif crops and another one is rabi crops. In kharif crops, we have said that they are grown in rainy seasons, and rabi crops they are grown in winter season. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yes. In which
Yes.
months does rainy season lies? What? Not audible. Not at all audible. No. You are not audible, Subhan. Not at all audible.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now. So what was
June,
I
July, and
asking?
September.
June, July, August, and September. Okay?
September.
Yes. And winter seasons
Yeah.
October, November, December, January, February, and March. Okay? So kharif crops are
Yeah.
grown in which
Yeah.
season? Rainy seasons, which lies in June to September, whereas rabi crops they are grown in winter season, which lies in or which held in which months? October to March. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
There are some examples of kharif crops. Okay, so can you tell me that which crops or which things do you eat in your rainy season? Which crops are grown in your rainy season?
We do not.
Rainy season. Okay. In your rainy season, kharif crops. Oh, sorry. In your rainy season, your paddy, maize are grown. Okay. The example of your kharif crops are what?
Yes.
Paddy, maize. Okay. And many more.
Yes.
Okay. And in rabi
Yes.
crops, you have wheat, you have grams, etc.
And
What?
right.
Yes, rice. Okay. You may
Yes.
add many more
Yes.
examples. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
So, types of crops. Write the next heading as types of crops. Okay. So, depending upon the season in which they are grown, crops have been divided. Sorry, the crops are of two types. Okay, Soban?
Yes, let me write it.
First type is, write it later. I'll give you time. Okay,
Okay.
I'll give you time. So, depending upon the season in which they are grown, crops are of two types. First one is what? First type
Kharif
is?
crop.
Okay, first one is Kharif crops. What should I write in Kharif crops?
They are grown in rainy season.
Okay, these are the crops that are grown in rainy season. What else?
Then in it is grown in no. It is grown in the month of June, July, August, September. June to September.
Okay. What some
And then
examples of Kharif crops are? Can you give me
paddy,
some
maize,
examples? Right. Paddy,
paddy,
maize.
maize,
What else?
and we can take
What?
yeah,
Etc. Okay.
soya bean also,
Right,
cotton.
right. Soya bean. Yes, you can write n number of examples. Okay. You understand this? What is this? What does it mean?
etc.
Okay, fine.
More are there.
Right, right. You may note it down and
Yeah,
tell
we
me
will.
when you are done.
Yeah.
Done? Okay. So next one is, next
Not
type
done.
is, acha, not done. Okay. Do. Done?
Yes.
Okay, so okay. Next type is what?
Rabi crops.
Rabi crops. Okay, what should we write in this?
It is generally these crops are grown in winter season.
What else?
Winter seasons are generally from uh, December to okay. Okay. Some examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, etc.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so in crops there are two things, Soban. Okay, tell me one thing. In crops there are two practices. One is sowing and another one is harvesting. Have you ever heard about these two terms?
Sowing means like planting the seeds, right?
Right. And what do you mean by harvesting?
The harvest means like when the seeds are grown, we need to cut that machines
Right. Not cut the seeds.
combine.
You have to cut the crops or plants, okay? Or the product
Yeah, crops.
which that plant is giving. Okay, right? So,
Yeah.
whenever a new season start, what does farmers do? Farmers sow seeds. Farmers select some seeds, and what do? They throw it in the field, and that means sowing. They do what? They do sowing. Okay. What does farmers do? They
Yes.
select a seed and they start the process of sowing so that the crop of either wheat, gram, or any of the seasonal crop can grow. Is it clear to you? So the sowing for
Yeah.
rabi crops, the sowing for wheat, gram, or peas like crops starts from December, right? They start to grow
Yes.
their these type of crops in December and they harvest it in March. Means they cut
Yes.
their crops, they cut down their crops in March. They sow the seeds of wheat, gram, peas, or any of the crop which belongs to rabi crops or winter season crops. They sow these type of seeds in your December and they harvest it in which month? They harvest it in your March. Okay, is it clear to you?
March.
Right.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
Same is the case with your kharif crops. What do? They sow the seeds. They sow the seeds of all the kharif crops that are rainy season crops in your June or July, and they harvest these crops in September. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
In the initial season or in the initial time of rainy season, what does they do? They sow the seeds, and at the end time, they would do what? They just uh, remove means harvest your crops, okay, so that the people of the
Yes.
country or the place could get that crop or their food. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, so we were talking about rabi crops. What does the farmer do in December? They sow the seeds of rabi crops or winter season crops in December and harvest them in March. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now there is even a third type of crop. Have you ever heard about it?
Not really.
What?
Yeah, I think I've heard of
Okay, if you have heard, just tell.
it. Grown into December season.
What?
Yes.
Not audible.
Hmm.
Not audible. Okay, so Z crops are the crops that are grown in between Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Okay. For example, which month is
Yes.
left? June to September has been engulfed. Then your December to
They
March
are,
have been engulfed. Which month is
uh,
left? Which
they
month
are
is left?
summer season crops.
Right, they are summer season crops or they are seasonal crops, right? So your Z crops are
Yes.
seasonal crops that are sown in which month? They are sown during March to July. Okay, these are the crops that are
Yes.
grown in the season between Kharif crops and Rabi crops that are your March to July. Okay, these are the crops
Okay.
that are grown during March or March to July. Okay, the examples which we can include in Z crops are generally the seasonal vegetables or seasonal,
Watermelon.
yes, watermelon,
Watermelon also.
mango,
Yeah.
except
Pumpkin.
that there are some fodder crops that are used for the purpose of animal feeding. Okay,
Yes.
animal food crops. That are your fodder crops
Fodder
that are
crop.
known as your fodder crops. These are grown in your this season. Okay, so what will you write about Z crops?
Sown in.
One second, one second. These are the crops that are sown and harvested between, you write complete, okay, write the complete
Yes.
spelling of between. These are the crops that are sown and harvested between the months of July, March to July. Which examples are included, Saban?
Watermelon, fodder crops, pumpkin, etc. Bitter gourd also. Bitter gourd, kumbar, like that.
Is it clear? In your seasonal vegetables, put any of the example which you would like to add.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
just tell me when you are done.
Yes.
Done.
Yeah.
So what have we studied till now?
Kharif crops, rabi crops, and wheat crops.
What were they?
Kharif crops.
They were just basically the types of
Grow.
crops, right? They were just the types of crops. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not asking about the definition. Okay, so can you tell me that why have we studied about crops? What is the importance of growing a crop?
What literally?
What? Why are cultivation of crops
Wheat.
necessary? What?
We need the crops for several things
For several things, okay? For
to do.
example,
Like we need to eat, survive,
right,
and then feed some animals.
right, right. The basic purpose of cultivating a crop is what? To provide food,
Yeah,
right? So the basic purpose of cultivating a crop was what? To provide the food, either to the humans or to the animals, right?
yes.
Okay, so whenever we grow a crop, we generally follow some practices or we follow some steps. Can you tell me that whenever you grow a plant or anything in your house, what are the practices or what are the steps with which you go through? Or you just buy a seed? Or you just buy a seed, dig a hole in the soil and water them and they grow into your crop or your flower? What are the basic steps that you actually follow before growing any plant in your house?
Like we need to check the soil first, like
Okay, you check the soil
soil,
first, then
and then show the seeds,
you
sowing the
sow the
seeds,
seeds. Okay, then
and adding manure and fertilizers to it, some kind of like tea. And
okay,
then
then
when they are grown, we can do.
okay. Doesn't your plant need water to grow?
Yeah, right.
Your
It
plant
needs
needs
water and a good place where sunlight reaches.
right a good place and your water. Okay, so whenever we provide water to the plant at such a large scale, what does we call that practice? We say it as irrigation. Have you ever heard about this term? We'll
Mm,
discuss it later also. Just tell me a small idea that have you ever heard about irrigation or not?
yes,
Have you ever heard about irrigation or not?
yeah, so,
Okay, what is it?
like to give water in time to time. But
Okay, also you might have seen that whenever we we actually plant a plant, while planting a plant, we see that sometimes small insects or some unnecessary plants also grow with it. Is it true?
yeah,
What do they?
sometimes.
Sometimes this happens, right? So what
Yeah,
do we call that unnecessary plants?
weeds. I think
Right.
weeds.
We say it weeds. So what do? We remove that weeds. Removal of weeds
Yeah,
or protecting your crop or plant from weeds. Why do we practice removal of weeds? What is the motive of removing the weeds? What is the problem that weed created with if they grow with the crops or any plant?
it will like affect the plant,
How?
which the insects will eat that plant.
What?
The insects will eat the plant.
So that's why we are giving it fertilizers, no?
Yeah.
Are we? Why do we provide manure or fertilizers to the crop?
Grow, like, to grow the plant.
How? Soil is enough? Isn't soil enough? Soil is growing, manure and fertilizers are not growing the plant.
Manure and fertilizers will help the plant.
Speak louder. Just tell me a basic difference between manure and fertilizer addition and what is the purpose of removing the weeds. Not audible. Not audible, Soban. Not audible. Yes, it is audible. Speak, speak.
Yeah, the weeds take the nutrients of
Not audible. Speak louder.
weeds take the unwanted plants like weeds, which we call that take the nutrients.
Right. If I
Which are
gave you one
necessary.
plate of food, you need to eat that plate of food for your own body, and I also sit and eat with that or from that plate only. Won't the your nutrients get decreased, or won't your nutrition get affected if we both will eat from a same plate, which plate is made for just one person, right? So in a pot, for I'm just taking an example of a pot because I am taking an example that you have grown that plant at your house. Okay, we are not talking right now about crops. We are taking an example of a plant, single plant. Okay. Okay, so where do we grow a plant? We grow it in a pot only, right? A pot or a small land, piece of land or a garden. So what do? We have, for example, I have grown a plant of what? I have grown a plant of rose, right? And along with it, I have provided it all the fertilizers and manure for its nutrition. But along with it, when I see that there after a few days a small plant is also growing with it, but that is not a plant of your rose. Is it clear? So this unwanted plant is what? This is a weed. And it is what? It is taking the nutrition of rose. Since they are both have been planted into a same pot, they have a same soil, they have a limited soil, they have a limited intake of your nutrients. The nutrients which I was provided was basically for rose. It was limited for that rose, but along with it, a new plant is also growing, which is not of rose, and it is not necessary or it is not desirable for me to grow this plant. So what will I do? I'll remove it just for the sake that my rose plant would not get affected because of the lesser nutrition. Is it clear to you? So why do we remove weeds? We remove weeds. Why? Because it takes the nutrients of the main plant, right? Not audible.
No?
Very lightly audible. Very less audibility.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Then after that, after removal of seeds, what do we do? You are not audible, okay? Harvesting. What do we do? Harvesting. What does harvesting means? Come closer to your device. Right. Yes. What does harvesting means?
Taking out the can you hear me?
Yes. Yes. Very clearly. Don't play with your device now. Leave it alone. Right. Now,
Taking out the leaves. fruits which were grown.
Can you repeat? Can
We'll
you repeat?
take the fruit or
Just cutting down of that crops, right? Cutting down.
yes,
Right, after cutting down, what do we do? For example, what is done in the market? The market is purchasing their
then we
crops or
have to
their wheat or grains from what? Farmers, right? So for a limited time, farmers have to store them in their grounds or wherever they are in their warehouses, right? So what do we do after harvesting? We store it. Storage, right? It is not possible that farmers have today harvested the crop and today only they are going to sell in the market, right? What will they do? They'll store. Otherwise, going into the market also, it's not necessary that the customer will purchase all the grain at one day. What they will do? They'll store, right? They'll store. So what do we have to provide for the crops? We have to provide proper storage conditions so that any insect
yes,
cannot harm them, right? Any insect or
yes,
any other animal cannot harm them. So it is necessary for us to store them at proper places with proper storage conditions along with the proper temperature. If you have kept your wheat in what, if you have kept your wheat in humid condition, what will happen? They'll degrade. Fungus could attack them. Is it possible? Not audible. Is it possible that if we
hello.
keep, yes, yes, audible. So is it possible, Sobhan, that if we keep our crop in improper storage conditions, for example,
Yes, yes, I
improper.
can hear you.
Now you can hear me.
I
Okay.
can hear you.
Okay, listen. What was I saying? That I was talking about the storage conditions. For example, it is very necessary for us to keep to keep our products or to keep our things or to keep our crops in a proper storage conditions, right? We
Yes,
purchase
yes,
apple from the market, and if we leave it unnecessarily in the environment, what will happen? After a time they'll get degrade. What do? We purchase some vegetables or fruits from a market, and we store them in what? We store them in your refrigerator or fridge. Is it
yeah,
true?
yeah,
Everyone keeps their vegetables
yes,
and fruits in the fridge. Why? Because they are providing them
yes,
appropriate conditions of temperature. Proper humidity has been provided by the fridge to your vegetables and apples. Proper humidity is provided, right? Right?
yes, yes,
Yes. So what was I saying? That we have to provide proper storage conditions to the crop as well, right? So soil checking. Instead of soil checking, we'll write first step to be preparation of soil, right? Preparation of soil. At a large scale, what does farmers do? Farmers starts with tilling, okay? Tilling or plowing, right? What they try to do? They tries to loosen the soil at that place, okay? For a better growth, they tries to loosen the
yes.
crops. So what practices does they approach? They approaches tilling or plowing. Okay, we'll study about this in later class. Okay.
Okay.
So what do we do? First one is preparation of soil, about which you were saying that checking the crop. We are not checking the crop, we are preparing the soil.
Check,
Okay?
checking the soil.
Right? It's preparation of soil.
Yeah,
Preparing the soil. Soil checking has been done already. If I know that the soil of this place is very humid, I cannot grow the wheat at that place, right? Is it clear? If the water quantity of this the soil present with me is very high, then I'm not going to grow your wheat crops in that, right? What happened? You are unable to understand? You are unable to understand, Subhan? Subhan? Write in chat box what's the matter. Not audible. Not audible.
Now I can hear you. Now I can.
Okay, you were not able to hear me till now.
You were like, it was like lagging your voice and
Okay.
suddenly stopped.
Okay. So the first step is what? Preparation of soil, right?
Yes.
How do we prepare a soil? We start plowing it or tilling it for various purposes. With this, we can we can provide the loosening of soil. Okay,
No.
not audible. What happened?
You're lagging.
I am lagging. You have a network issue. You are having some network issues.
Bye.
Join again. Try to join it again. Try to join the class again. Audible?
Yes, I will rejoin you. Only.
Yes. Rejoin it.
Yes, hello.
Yes. Am I audible to you now?
Yes, you are now.
Okay. So what were we talking about? We were talking about
Yes.
basic agricultural practices, right? Agricultural practices. These are the basic steps which farmers take or which we ourselves take to grow or cultivate a crop or even a single plant in our house. Is it true?
Yes.
Understood or
I
not?
need to check the. Yeah.
Write it in your notebook. Give a heading of agricultural practices. Write it as number one as your preparation of soil. Are you done?
Yes, done.
Okay, so the second step is what? Sowing, right? When
Yeah,
we
so
are
yeah.
when we are done with our preparation of soil, what do? We select the best quality seeds. We put it in the soil and tries to grow the crop of that seed, right?
Yes.
Right, second step to be sowing. Second step, second practice is what? Sowing.
Yes.
Done? Third one, from starting from
When
the
you are.
initial stage only soil has many nutrients, but We provide them with what? Additional nutrients that are
Manure.
provided through what? Manure and fertilizer. So your third practice or third step is what? Addition of manure and fertilizers. Okay. Now tell
Yeah,
me the basic difference between a manure and a fertilizer.
like fertilizers can be.
Yes, fertilizers are what?
Mm,
Hmm?
it's like chemical thing.
Right, fertilizers are made in the industries whereas manures are
Yeah.
organic nutrients. Organic in the sense that they
Man,
are generally made up of the natural things like dead
yeah.
animals, dead plants, or your cow dungs. These all are used to prepare what? Manure. Manure is an organic nutrient provider to the plant, and they are generally made from the natural things, okay, organic things. For example, dead plants, dead animals, your cow dung, okay. Okay,
Yes.
we'll see the proper preparation of
Yes.
manure in next class as we are just left with 6 minutes, right? And what are fertilizers?
Yeah.
Fertilizers are synthetic ones that are made in the industries, okay. Manure are very good for plants, whereas fertilizers can have some side effects also. Okay, we cannot use fertilizers in a very large quantity. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, Soban? Yes, Soban. Is it clear to you, Soban?
It's
Unmute yourself. Fourth one
yes,
is
it's
what? Fourth one is irrigation. What is
yeah,
irrigation?
yeah.
Providing water to the crop. Okay,
Yes.
providing water to the
Yes.
seed basically, right? At the
Yes.
initial stage what do we have? We have the seed. So after sowing and after addition of manure and fertilizers, we are irrigating, we are providing it with water. After that the seed will try to convert into plant, and then we'll plant the water. So the fourth step is irrigation. We'll provide water time to time to the crop, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Fifth one
Removing the
is
weeds.
protection from,
Removing the weeds.
yes, protection from weeds. Okay, write it as protection from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are the unnecessary or undesirable plants which are grown with the main plant, or the main crop. Weed takes the same nutrient which are provided for the main plant, that's why, and decrease the nutrition of that plant. That's why it is very necessary for us to protect the plant or the crops from weeds. So we protect the crops, we remove the weeds. Okay, we generally use weedicides. The things which are
Yeah.
used to protect from which are used to protect the crop from weeds are called weedicides. Is it clear to you?
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll study till here only. If you have any
Yes.
doubt, you may ask.
No, 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 no.
Just note down these 5 practices. Note down these 5 practices.
Yeah, done.
Write 2 more.
Just I
Harvesting,
was writing the protect.
harvesting and storage. I have given you small ideas about these 5 steps. I will discuss these 5 steps in detail from next class, as well as
Yeah,
I'll give you a small introduction about these 2 steps also. Is it clear to you? Is it
yes.
clear to you? Do you want to ask anything? Do you want to ask
No, no,
anything?
no doubt.
No doubt? Okay.
No.
Okay, tomorrow is your maths exam.
Yes.
Have you practiced
Yeah.
completely?
Yeah, now I have to little bit practice, then
Okay, have you tried exercise number 2.4?
yeah.
Okay. Do you want to ask anything?
No, no.
Okay. Shall I end the class?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.